All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time here, my name's Jason. Here on the channel, we do a lot of marketing and we find ways to make money online, and then we pass those on to you. We do a lot of step-by-step and instructions and tutorials on here, showing you exactly how we are able to make money online, and so you can take advantage of those as well. Now, if this is your first time here, if you haven't subscribed yet, well, we sure appreciate it. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notifications when these videos come out. All right, so today we're going to go on to day number 35 for our Clickbank series right here. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank step by step. Now, all we're doing with this system is simple copy and paste. We're not promoting it on social media. We're not paying for any ads. We're just using a email system called My Lead Gen Secret, and we're sending those emails every day. Every single morning we send those out, and we're building leads every single day. That's how we've been able to generate the sales that we have on this. You can watch the previous videos to see which days and how much those were. And if you want to get started doing something like this, it's really fast to do. It doesn't take any time at all during the day. You want to start right here on video 1. This is day 1 through 6. And this has all your setup information and how to get things going right inside here. And you just follow along day by day. Now, if you're in here, if you're on the channel anyway, take a look at some of these other series. We make money several different ways, and we run several different programs. This is the newest one we're starting, and we're going to go day by day, and we're going to show you exactly how to promote this product. Anywhere from, we're going to do TikToks and Instagrams and Facebook, and we'll show you how to run some ads and things like that. We're going to give you all the training you need, starting with day 1, then day 2, day 3. It's going to continue. We don't know how long the series is going to be just yet, but we're trying to put out a video every 2 or 3 days, give you time to get those steps caught up and ready to go. All right, so let's jump into My Lead Gen Secret. Or I'm sorry, we'll jump into Clickbank first, like always, and we'll just check some stats. Logged in, maybe. There we go. So there's our sale we made day before yesterday. We're getting to a point now where we're about every 2 or 3 days we're making a sale, which is great. This second offer has worked out really well for us, so we definitely like to see that. Now let's see some daily stats. See if we're still getting good traffic in here, which I believe we are. Generally, the only time I check this is whenever I'm doing these videos. All right, so as of today, we've had 125 visits to our link. None of the order form yet, and also we have not sent out our emails today yet. So let's check the full extent. Okay, so total visits to our links has been 9,231. Now this is over a 35-day period. So it's pretty good traffic to get in there. We're getting this in front of a lot of people. It's exactly what we wanted to do. This is visits to our actual order form. So we've got people going all the way through to the order form. And then this is our sales that we've made. So overall, we're at 98 visits to our order form, 22 for the current offer that we've got running. And we actually had 75 for the last one. So it's good. It's doing good. The key is just to be consistent. So, your timing per day, make sure you're hitting the perfect timing on the email so they go out when they're going to get opened. And then just stay consistent. Do this every single day. And you're going to start seeing some sales in here. Now, obviously, we can't guarantee anything on the site because everybody's different. Everybody's work ethic is different. But if you buckle down and you just be consistent and be persistent, we're fairly confident you are going to make sales doing this. This was brand new for us. We've never done this before with Clickbank. So we just wanted to prove that it was possible and that we could get it done. All right, let's jump over to My Lead Gen Secret. And we'll go ahead and log into our first account, and I'm going to send out the next email in line, which on the second offer is email 15 today. So we get logged in, we're going to hit mailing system and select all. So this account we're sending to 7,100 leads. I've got the Google Doc right over here on my other screen. So this is what I'm working off, the same thing that is below this video. And I'm just going to go and pull the subject line, Control C and Control V. And then I'm going to go pull my entire email body with the link, Control C, and highlight here and Control V. And this is up to you. You can leave it bold if you want. I always take the bold off. You're going to want to change your short code for sure. Control C and Control V, comma. Now what we've been doing, we've been bolding these, so we can just continue that because I kind of like the way it looks. We'll change our signature to your name. I will put mine. And down here is where you're going to enter in your affiliate ID or your username for Clickbank. Let's go ahead and copy. So we'll highlight, Control C, and then let's see where we can put our link at. So right here for sure. As you've seen in the previous videos, I like to, if I can put it more than once, I generally like to do that, just so there's a couple opportunities. Now I'll bold this and go ahead and bring it up one size, just so it's more visible. Let's see where else we can put this. Well, they've got it set up for us here. And we did the full line last time. Let's just do the full line again. Go link, Control V for paste. And then we'll just bold that. All right, now we'll get rid of our link here because we don't need it there anymore. We're going to click perfect timing. We'll make one quick check here, make sure we've got everything ready. Everything looks good to me. So I'm going to highlight, Control C, and send it. All right, that's sent. So now what we'll do as always, we're going to come up here to the tab that we're on. We're going to right click and duplicate that tab. And on that new one, we're just going to go and log out. I'm going to log into our next account. So for me, it'll be number 2. Mailing system, select all, come all the way down because we already have our email ready and copied. I'm going to Control V, get that in there. Perfect timing. Come up to subject. Grab our subject line. Control V, and we're going to go back down and grab our email for our next account. Control C and send. All right, we go to the other tab, and then we're going to log out. And we'll log back in to number 3. Mailing system. Okay, those are bonuses we got today. So 3,700 on this account today. And we're going to highlight, we're going to Control V and paste it, hit perfect timing. We're going to come right here to the subject. We're going to grab our subject from our Google Doc. We're going to highlight this for our next account, Control C, and send. All right, moving on to our next account. We'll just go over here to the other tab. And we're going to log out. Log back into number 4. Select, maybe select all. There we go. I'm going to come all the way down. We're going to highlight again. We're going to Control V, hit perfect timing. All the way back up. You're going to hit subject. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. We'll grab our email one more time, Control C, and send. All right, so we'll go to our last account. I just switch tabs, I log out, go to number 5. So we're using 5 accounts. It's okay if you don't use 5 accounts. You can use less than that. I would recommend for sure not to use any less than 2. I'd say you need to use at least 2 because you want to get those extra bonus leads. That's why we use this program, to get more leads. So you want to get those extra bonus leads that you get for that second account, which I show you how to set all that up in video number 1. How to daisy chain those so that you get the credit for it, you get the bonus for it, and everything just goes back to you. That way you do a little bit better and you get more leads basically for nothing. I mean, you got that other account, you just get more leads for making the sale yourself. All right, so like I said, check out the rest of the channel. We do a lot here. We've got a lot of videos. We've got several different programs we run. We've got some manifests. We've got some books down here that are pretty good that we listen to, some mindset stuff. A lot of this is about your mindset. You got to be in the right mindset to be able to run this business and get things going for yourself. I will bring up this again because this is brand new. This is also just came out 2 months ago. So getting in early is the key on this system. We're going to drive our team to the sky. So we're driving hard, and you want to be a part of it. So check it out. Let me know your thoughts, and we'll go from there. Other than that, thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like on this video if you got any value out of it, which I hope you did. And we'll see you on the next one. Later.